You will be amazed by this 2019 Ford F-250. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the full-size pickup you can count on. This F-250 leverages military-grade aluminum alloy, high-strength steel, rugged components, a stiffer, stronger frame than previous models, and improved axle strength to bring you extraordinary performance, even in the most extreme conditions. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tow hooks, trip computer, 6-speed AT, AM/FM stereo, 4-wheel disc brakes. See how comfortable, capable can feel when you get into this can-do F-250. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.